Welcome to our IT infrastructure series. In today's video, we're going to explore the basics of IT infrastructure, including hardware, software, networking, and storage. IT infrastructure is the backbone of any organization's digital landscape, essential for supporting critical applications and ensuring seamless service delivery to customers and employees alike. Whether you're a small business owner, an IT professional, or just curious about how digital systems work behind the scenes, understanding IT infrastructure can help you make informed decisions about technology investments, security, and business efficiency. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is IT infrastructure? Part 1. What is IT infrastructure? IT infrastructure includes all the technology resources an organization relies on to operate its daily activities. Think of it as the backbone of any digital environment, from data storage and communication systems to cybersecurity and user access. A well-functioning infrastructure is essential for businesses of all sizes to remain competitive and productive. To simplify, IT infrastructure is often divided into four main categories: hardware, software, networking, and storage. Each category has its own function and plays a crucial role in supporting operations. Part 2. Core components of IT infrastructure. Section 1. Hardware. Let's start with hardware. Hardware includes all the physical devices and equipment like servers, computers, routers, and switches. For example, a server hosts the applications and data that employees and customers access. It's like the central brain of the IT infrastructure, constantly processing information, storing data, and running applications that keep the business operational. In addition to servers, you'll find routers and switches. Routers direct traffic between networks, while switches manage traffic within the network. These components work together to enable data processing and communication across the organization. Imagine them as the roadways and intersections that direct digital information where it needs to go. Section 2. Software. Next, let's talk about software. Software enables hardware to perform specific tasks. This includes operating systems like Windows Server or Linux, which run on servers and computers, as well as applications like databases, CRMs, and Office tools that employees use daily. Software can also include tools for network management, security, and backup. These applications help IT teams manage, secure, and optimize their infrastructure, ensuring smooth operations across the board. Software and hardware are like two sides of the same coin, each relies on the other to function effectively. Section 3. Networking. Now, let's discuss networking. Networking involves all the systems that connect computers and devices, allowing them to communicate within and outside of the organization. Key components here include local area networks, LANs, wide area networks, WANs, and virtual private networks, VPNs. Diagrams illustrating LAN, WAN, and VPN setups. LANs cover smaller geographic areas, like an office building, while WANs connect multiple LANs across larger distances, such as between cities or countries. VPNs, on the other hand, allow secure access for remote employees by encrypting connections to the organization's network. Together, these technologies create an interconnected system that enables seamless communication and data sharing. Networking also involves managing performance, optimizing bandwidth, and securing data in transit. With a strong network setup, businesses can ensure fast, reliable connectivity for both employees and customers, no matter where they are. Section 4. Storage. The fourth key component of IT infrastructure is storage. Storage solutions hold and protect data, whether that data is files, applications, or customer records. Organizations can choose from a range of storage options: on-premise servers, cloud storage, or a hybrid setup that combines both. Cloud storage, for example, allows businesses to store data off-site with providers like Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure, reducing the need for physical hardware. Hybrid setups are increasingly popular because they offer the flexibility of the cloud with the control of on-premise systems. Choosing the right storage solution depends on the organization's needs for speed, security, and scalability. Part 3. The importance of IT infrastructure. Now that we've discussed the components, let's dive into why IT infrastructure is so critical for business operations. A stable, reliable infrastructure ensures uptime, so services are always available to customers and employees, which is vital for productivity and satisfaction. IT infrastructure also plays a crucial role in security, protecting sensitive information from breaches and ensuring compliance with regulations. Organizations must secure their systems with firewalls, encryption, and other defenses to guard against cyber threats. And let's not forget innovation. Modern infrastructure enables companies to adopt new tools and technologies quickly. With a flexible, robust infrastructure, organizations can easily scale up, add new services, and even experiment with technologies like AI or automation. Part 4. Trends in IT infrastructure. Let's take a look at a few current trends in IT infrastructure. First, cloud computing has revolutionized the way businesses approach infrastructure. By moving to the cloud, organizations gain scalability, cost savings, and accessibility. Cloud computing icons, hybrid cloud animation. A growing number of companies are using a hybrid cloud approach, combining public cloud services with private, on-premise solutions. This approach balances the security of private infrastructure with the flexibility of the cloud. Another trend is cybersecurity, which is increasingly critical as cyber threats become more advanced. Companies are investing heavily in cybersecurity measures like multi-factor authentication, firewalls, and encryption. Automation is another big focus. Automated tools help IT teams manage infrastructure more efficiently, reducing human error and speeding up responses to issues. Whether it's through automated monitoring, backups, or updates, automation is transforming how IT infrastructure is managed. Part 5. Challenges in IT infrastructure. Of course, IT infrastructure isn't without its challenges. Balancing cost with scalability is a common issue, as organizations need to decide between investing in on-premise resources and leveraging cloud services. Security remains a top concern, as well. With the rise of cyber threats, infrastructure must be resilient and up to date with the latest security protocols. Companies need to regularly audit their systems and adapt their security strategies. Lastly, managing infrastructure requires skilled IT professionals who can keep up with ever-changing technology. This means ongoing training, adapting to new tools, and maintaining a proactive approach to infrastructure management. Conclusion. That brings us to the end of today's video on IT infrastructure. To recap, we covered the core components of infrastructure: hardware, software, networking, and storage, along with the importance, trends, and challenges in managing IT environments. A strong IT infrastructure enables businesses to stay competitive, secure, and ready for the future. We hope this video helped you understand the basics of IT infrastructure and its role in today's digital landscape. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. We'll be diving deeper into each component in upcoming videos, so stay tuned for more.